Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Monopoly Go, no jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. And I'm just going to go over to the shop and show you how cool I am. So let me just go over there. And as you can see, guys, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free, guys. This actually works. It's super insane. So yeah, let's just wait for this to go ahead and max out, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, super rich. So what you need to do is go to this website, getdicerolls.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's called getdicerolls.com. So it's a super cool website. So once you're here, guys, what we need to do is go ahead and choose how much money in dice rolls we're going to add to our account. Now, personally, I like to go for the biggest and the baddest, but you can go for whatever amount you want. You can also see recent activity. So that is cool if you want to know who's currently using the website. And now we're going to go ahead and fill in our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and press proceed, and now we're going to go ahead and press generate, and we're just going to wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long, so let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. User verification. All right, so let's just wait for this to load. So before we can be rich, guys, we do have to do a verification, so you just want to press verify, and hopefully go now and see if we're rich or not. Probably didn't work, to be honest, but you never know. Oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is super insane, guys. Haven't had any problems with it whatsoever, so I hope you guys like the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This actually works. Peace out.